Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, World Environment Day observed at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Synergize knowledge, expertise and experience for organizational growth, says CEO Rourkela Steel Plant. And artistic endeavors of Steel City Girl to create awareness on COVID-19. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant joined the rest of the world in observing World Environment Day on 5th June 2020. Mr. Chittaranjan Mahapatra, CGM in charge services, hosted the environmental flag at Shilp Konark premises on 5th June. Present on the occasion were Mr. Atish Chandra Sarkar, CGM Utilities and Environment, Mr. Surendra Nath Sess, GM in charge, Environment Engineering, and other senior officers complying with the social distancing and other prescribed norms related to coronavirus. Mr. Sess welcomed the gathering and presented a brief on this year's theme, namely biodiversity. The Environment Pledge was administered to all present in Oriya, Hindi and English. Environment badges were also worn by the employees to mark the occasion. In the afternoon, a plantation program was organized at IG Park in which Mr. A.K. Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, Mr. H.N. Nayak, Regional Officer, OSPCB, Rourkela, Government of Orissa, Susri B. Singh, Deputy Environment Engineer, OSPCB, Rourkela, Government of Orissa, and other senior officers of the plant planted saplings to mark the occasion. Mr. Deepak Chattara, CEO RSP, in his message on this occasion called upon all to dedicate themselves to mission biodiversity. We are proud that SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has always been a responsible and responsive environment citizen, he said. It is worth mentioning here that apart from adopting latest environment-friendly steel-making technologies, RSP has also taken various measures for treatment of pollutants at their source of generation. Electrostatic precipitators, bag houses, multi-cyclones, dry fog dust separation systems, and wet scrubbers have been installed in various units to reduce or separate air pollutants. In addition to this, RSP has also taken up various green projects for environment protection. Example, installation of 1 megawatt solar power plant, installation of 40 KLD solar water heating systems in Ispat General Hospital, LED lighting system in place of traditional lighting system in township and inside steel plant, and utilization of waste plastics collected through municipal solid waste and their gainful utilization in road making. Synergize knowledge, expertise and experience for organizational growth, said Mr. Deepak Chattara, CEO RSP, while addressing the inaugural function of the third session of Spandan through webinar on 5th June 2020 at HRD Center. The two-day program, organized adhering to all the COVID-19 norms, aims at preparing Team RSP to face the post-lockdown challenges and changing business scenario. Elaborating on the organizational needs, the CEO said, for the sustainability of an organization, we need growth which comes from right decision making. Decisions are in turn based on knowledge, experience and expertise. Deliberating upon the present as well as post-lockdown challenges and the impact of COVID-19 on the economy, the CEO said revenue generation, production and operation optimization, expenditure control and human resource mobilization should be the focus to emerge successful in the present situation. Mr. Chattaraj advised all to work toward making RSP a smarter organization by following SMART principles, where every activity will be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time-bound. The CEO also interacted with the participants through the video conferencing mode. He urged them to turn challenges into opportunities and work for the growth of the company. The program started with the rendition of the national anthem. Ms. Rajeshri Banerjee, GM in charge, HRD, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the inaugural session. It is worth mentioning here that 18 participants comprising both executives and non-executives are attending the program. In different sessions of the program, the participants are being sensitized about post-COVID-19 challenges, company strength and opportunities, embracing changes, creativity and innovation, bringing passion into action, and managing self to manage others. Swada Mohanty, daughter of Mrs. Sasmita Mohanty and Mr. R.S. Mohanty, AGM F&A of Rourkela Steel Plant, has been creating awareness on COVID-19 through her meaningful artwork and digital painting. The budding artist from the Steel City is busy making the best use of the lockdown period to create attractive paintings to spread awareness on the pandemic. Each of her works conveys a message and inspires to fight the deadly disease. From the importance of adhering to the preventive measures to fighting the spread of the disease and mitigating the fear of COVID from the human mind, her paintings convey a wide range of messages. To reach out to the maximum number of people, Swada has switched to digital painting. Her latest digital artwork of a scarecrow inviting the birds to take shelter on its head and birds merrily obliging depicts the biodiversity of nature. The theme-based artworks of Swada has been widely appreciated. Swada, who started painting at a very tender age, is pursuing bachelor degree at National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. Her passion for the color and canvas are vividly visible in the maximal, colorful and intricate paintings she makes. She has received numerous awards and accolades, including prestigious award of Lalita Kala Academy in 2011. Swada aspires to work for Disney in future and to make movie with the characters of Patachitra of Orissa. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.